Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Paypa.
Happy birthday, dear Paypa.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Anything you want to say to Paypa?
Yeah. I want to make you a crown. It's a surprise.
And we're gonna mail it.
And I'm going to mail it to you because it's a surprise.
Okay. Say I love you.
I love you.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Okay, what?
What?
Alright, say we'll call you later.
We'll call you later.
Can blow him a kiss.